I was right, people. iOS 18 Beta 6. Exactly as I predicted last week. Go back last week, people. I predicted it exactly. 1.1 gigabytes. iOS 18 Beta 6 and iOS 18.1 Beta 2, both of which are out right now. Yep, I was right. There you go. There you go. iOS 18 Beta 6, iOS 18.1 Beta 2, both of them are out right now. Yeah, I don't know what other software updates are out. I assume macOS, of course macOS and iPadOS should be out right now, but I don't know. well, I'll see right now. But yeah, they're all out. iOS 18 Beta 6, 1.1 gigabytes on the SE2. You know what? You know the drill. We got to do it. All right, here we go. Oh god. 34 drop frames already. I don't know if it's up with the Wi-Fi or something, but yeah. So what's new? Again, that's the fun of these streams. We have to see. But yeah, I can tell you for a fact that this is definitely going to be the last. This is definitely going to be the last beta stream I do for iOS 18. Because, well, tomorrow I'm going to start school again. So, Beta 7 next week. When Beta 7 comes out next week, I'm not going to be able to cover it. So, yeah, this is going to be the last one. But let's hopefully send it off with a bang. Yes, 18.1 Beta 2 is also out. 18.1 Beta 2 is also out. 18 Beta 6 is out. All the betas are out right now. So, yeah. They're all out. And, yeah. So, yeah, exactly as I predicted. You can go back to last week's stream. I exactly predicted iOS 18.1 Beta 2, iOS 18 Beta 6. They were both going to come out this week, and they did. So, yeah, that's exactly what happened. Because I figured, because Google has their event tomorrow, their Pixel 9 event. Apple does not usually like to steal Google's thunder. So Apple and Google don't usually like to overlap each other. So yeah, that's why they released these today. What's new? Again, that's the fun of these streams. We don't know exactly what's new in these updates yet. So yeah, hopefully more dark mode icons. Yeah, we'll see. How's your iPhone SE handling with all the tested betas? So far, so good. Again, this is not my main device. My main device is the device I'm streaming on right now, the SE3. So, yeah, this is not my main device. This is just my secondary, older device. So, yeah. But, yeah, here we go. 18.1 Beta 2, 18 Beta 6. Let me quote tweet this. Told you so. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, I've not seen... It looks like 18... All the iOS 18 betas are out, and iPadOS 18, but what about macOS and all the other betas? There's no way in hell it's only iOS and iPadOS. It has to be other updates, right? But yeah, we'll see what else. Yeah, 18.0, man, he's getting bombarded with notifications right now. So yeah, it's 18.1, 18.0. I assume 18.1 has all the updates, or 18.1 Beta 2 has all the updates that we saw with 18 Beta 5 last week. So the new changes to the Photos app without the carousel design and no, what was that feature called? I forgot. The content removal thing in Safari where you can remove anything from a website in Safari. So yeah, but again, so my predictions were that 18 Beta 6 would come out today, 18 Beta 7 should be out next week on the 19th, and 18 Beta 8, which should be the final beta, should be out either on the 26th or 27th, and that should most likely be the final beta of 18.0, and then after that, 2 weeks later, should be the iPhone event, which I just made a video on yesterday. So, yeah. But yeah, here we go. We're in the final stretch now. Now we're on the weekly schedule for iOS beta releases. So, yeah, that means that we're gonna get much more. Now, yeah, again, next week beta 7. The week after should be beta 8 and 18.1 beta 3. So yeah, we're in the final stretch now. We're in the final stretch for iOS 18. So yeah. Does Apple Intelligence keep the base model 15s? No. We already know this. It's only on the 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max right now. 16, 16 Plus, 16 Pro, 16 Pro Max, they're all coming next month with Apple Intelligence. Okay, there we go. Sequoia Beta 6 is also out, and 15.1, Sequoia 15.1 Beta 2 is also out, and WatchOS 11. WatchOS 11 Beta 6 is also out. So all the Beta 6s are coming out now. Okay, good. I thought for a second it was only, yeah, tvOS. What about, where's VisionOS? Where's VisionOS? tvOS, iPadOS, everything came out, not VisionOS yet, but I assume that'll change in a few seconds, potentially. Yeah, macOS, iOS, iPadOS, watchOS, tvOS. All we're waiting on now is VisionOS. So, yeah. How you change from 18.0 to 18.1 on iPhone 15 Pro? It should be like an option. It should be like an option that should say like also available iOS 18.1 or something. Like it should be an option in the settings app. I don't know. Or at least that's what some people know. Why are release notes not there yet? The release notes take a while to show up. For some reason, I think for the entirety of the Beta 5 stream last week, the release notes did not come out. So it's probably going to take a while to come out for this stream. But yeah, okay, there we go. There's VisionOS. Yeah, so okay, now all of the Beta 6s are out. Beta 6, Beta 7s, they're all out. So, or not Beta 7. What am I saying? Beta 6 and 18.1 Beta 2, they're all out. So there we go. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, we got all the Beta 6s. Now that VisionOS is out. So yeah, all the Beta 6s, all the betas are out right now. So yeah, this should also confirm, this confirms my suspicion that maybe this confirms macOS Sequoia is coming out next month in September, which that's a bit of a rarity because last year we were kind of not expecting Sonoma to come out in September. So yeah, the macOS Sequoia is for sure coming out next month in September, and macOS or VisionOS is also coming out next month in September. So yeah, everything's coming out next month. Are you gonna do an update stream? Probably not for macOS. Never do it for macOS. But I should hopefully. I made a prediction last week, so Beta 5 of macOS Sequoia added the new Sequoia Sunrise wallpaper. That's like the actual landscape of Sequoia National Park, Sequoia National Park. My bet is that Beta 6 makes that the default wallpaper. So we're going to see here in a little bit if that's the case, if Beta 6 has that as a new default wallpaper. In fact, actually, is the IPSW file for Beta 6 out yet? No, not yet. Hang on. Let me go to the downloads page. Okay, let's see if the IPSW file's out. Nope. The IPSW files are not out yet. Probably gonna have to wait a little bit for that, so yeah. But yeah, all of the Beta 6s are out, and 18.1 Beta 2 is out, so yeah, I was exactly correct on that, so yeah. Your message above, it does no longer come up on a settings screen as I have tried to download to test the new UI. Are you talking about 18.1 or 18.0? Because I don't know exactly what's up with that there. Yeah, so excited. Hopefully something good from Beta 6 today. Yeah, hopefully. I remember, so yeah, this is the this is the first time since iOS 16 that I've been able to cover the Beta 6 update, because and this is for sure going to be the last update that I cover for iOS 18 because tomorrow is the start of the school year for me. So yeah, trying to switch from beta 5 to 18.1. Again, it should be like an option there. If it doesn't show up, then maybe if you have if you have a computer, try the IPSW file for 18.1 potentially. I don't know. Bro, skip school. This is more important. Yeah, I mean, nah, don't really think I can for my school at least. Or yeah, but yeah, this is we love your streams. Thank you very much. But yeah, high school, yeah. So yeah, this is definitely gonna be my last stream that I do for iOS 18. So hopefully we ended off with a bang. Hopefully we ended off with a good one. Hopefully beta 6 is good, decent at least. So yeah, yours is done. Installing now. Good. 14 Pro Max, 870 megabytes, coming from beta 5 to 6, 1.78 gigs. Interesting. So, and 15 plus here, 860 megabytes. So interesting. It's for me here. It's 1.1 gigs on beta 6 on the SA2. This is coming from beta 5. So interesting. That's it's very different for everyone. So this might be either a very big update or a very disappointing, shitty update. So we'll see. Oh yeah, I want to see if Genmoji is available on the 18.1 update. We're gonna see. Yeah, all the betas are out right now. Yeah. Let's see. It might only be bug fixes. That will be very disappointing. But I remember, I think it was iOS 16 beta 6. Let me look back. Let me look back at the Mac Rumors archive. I think it was iOS 16 beta 6 that was the one that added back the battery percentage. So you never know with these betas. Or actually no, it probably was beta 5 probably. It was either beta 6 or beta 5 of iOS 16 that added back the battery percentage. So yeah. But yeah, we'll see what's up with this one. 1.28 gigs on the 13 Pro Max. Man, I've never seen like this much variation between update sizes for a beta release before. I don't think it's ever been this different. So yeah, let's go ahead. Let me do Command S or Command F. Beta 8th beta of iOS 16. Okay, here we go. Beta 6. Oh, okay. It was beta 5. It was beta 5 iOS 16. Okay. So yeah. But okay. Oh, actually, yeah. I remember iOS 15 beta 6, which I didn't get to cover because that was the first day of the school year back then in 2021 for me. So. But yeah, it was the second day of the school year for me back in 2021. So yeah, iOS 15 beta 6, that redesigned the Safari UI, the controversial Safari UI. So maybe iOS 18 beta 6, maybe this redesigns the Photos app again. We'll see. 650 megabytes on the 11 Pro. Okay, that's the smallest so far. 650 megabytes on the 11 Pro. Okay, yeah, it's 600 megabytes on the 12 Pro. That's the new smallest. Okay, well, it's very different for everyone here. Some people are saying like 800 megabytes. Some are saying like a gig. Some are, like right here is like some people are like almost 2 gigs. For here was like almost exactly 1 gig, 1.1 gigs. So what's up with this release? It's very different for everyone here. I don't know what's up here. But yeah, we're gonna have to see what's up with this. Let's see. I'm wondering, is there gonna be different features for each model? Well, we'll see. We'll see what's up with that. 15 Pro Max is 1.6 gigs. Okay, yeah, this is this is very interesting. This is very interesting. But yeah. 6.64 gigs on the 13 Pro Max. What? 1.8 gigs on 18.1 Beta 2. So that's, I assume, coming from 18.1 Beta 1. That's okay, yeah. Everyone here is very different. 800 megs on the 13. Everyone is very different here. So, yeah. So, yeah, it's very interesting. I assume, yeah, 6.64 gigs, that's probably from a 13 Pro Max, or 17 on iOS 17. So, yeah. 2 gigs on the 15. A lot of new dark mode icons. Yeah, this is very different. So, we're gonna see what's up there. But yeah. 970 megs on the iPad 10. Okay, that's the first iPad that we see here, iPadOS 18. Is that coming from Beta 5 on the iPad 10? Interesting. Yeah, please put context on which iOS version you're coming from so that we know which what it is. No new changes in the Photos app? Dang, okay. Alright, well, we'll see what else is different with this update if there is any other differences. The release notes are still not out yet, and the IPSW files are not out yet, so disappointing. Okay, from Beta 5, okay. Oh, we have okay, the build number is a B, so that means that it's that means that we're getting really close to the final release now. So yeah, the build number ends with a B. So yeah, that means we're in the final stretch now with the release. WatchOS 11 is an A build number, so macOS is also an A build number. So yeah, we're getting close. Okay, there we go. It's installed now. Okay, so now we're installing. Okay. So yeah, iPhone 12, 880 megabytes. Very interesting. Very interesting how it's different for everyone. Yeah. Okay, so we're installing this, and we'll see what changes. Okay. Yeah, Beta 6 is available for everything. Okay. Well, the phone there, it's iPhone SE 2. So yeah, everyone here has different updates, or different update sizes. It's very interesting. This is iPhone SE 2, not iPhone 8 Plus. No, that's not even supported. So iPhone SE 2. But yeah. Alright, so let's see what else. Let's see if the release notes are up. Nope. I'm honestly just gonna, yeah, unless someone says in the chat that the release notes are up, I'm not even gonna check, because the release notes never go up immediately. The update reset the Photos app settings, now everything's messed up again. Are you kidding me? Really? All the Office apps are now dark? They weren't already? Interesting. So yeah. Okay. This is iPhone SE 2. This iPhone SE 2 is what's installing on here. So yeah, this is again 1.1 gigs on here. Not everyone here has different updates. Some are saying like 1.78 gigs, some are saying like 880 megabytes, some are saying like 600 megabytes, some are saying like 1.2, 1.3 gigs, some are saying like 6 gigs. So it's very weird. It's very weird, interesting stuff there. Photos app got reset. Okay, so, okay, Outlook app is now dark mode. Okay. CarPlay is good, hoping some minor fixes. Genmojis, I assume Genmoji is not there. Yeah, interesting. So, yeah. Oh, yeah, apparently, so I remember someone showed that the Apple Intelligence UI on, if you have an iPad with, if you have an iPad with the, with M1 or newer, and you plug in your iPad to an external display with Stage Manager and you enable Siri, then the Siri UI would be very bugged. So I assume that would be fixed now. But yeah, no dark Instagram icon. Yeah, I assume that icon might be a bit hard to do because it's like very color, or like it's like it has a gradient for its background. So yeah. Okay, so Outlook icon. I guess that's gonna be an app that we'll download and see the icon for. IPSW file is still not up. So nice. Let me check other websites, see if it's up. Apple DB. Nope. They didn't even update it yet. So the Apple Wiki. Let's see if they have it. Nope. Nope. Alright. Cool. Hearing no new features? Oh man. Okay, this sounds like it's gonna be another disappointing update. Hopefully there's at least something. Hopefully there's at least something different. But it sounds like there might not be. Let's see. Scrolling through Twitter, see if people found anything. Bluetooth toggle and control center. Oh, Xcode 16.1 beta. Okay. Oh, it's finishing. There you go. Alright, we'll see if there's anything new. Okay, we just finished the update. Let's see if anything is new. Settings, brightness is very low. Oh, it's probably because it's overheating because it just finished the update. General about 18.0 22A5338B. So yes, this is very close to the final release. We're now at a B build number, so this should be like basically almost as stable as the final release. So cool. So what have people found so far? CarPlay, apparently. Let's see. What have people found so far? Bluetooth toggle and control center is apparently one thing that changed, apparently. Let's see. Let's see. Connectivity. Oh, hang on. One small change. It looks like dark mode or your tinted icons show up in control center. Small, subtle change. The tinted icons show up in control center now. But hang on, Bluetooth toggle. Okay, there you go. There's a Bluetooth toggle in control center. Okay, so I guess that's one thing new. I don't know if that was in beta 5. But yeah, let's see if people are saying that Outlook icon has changed to be dark mode. So let's download Outlook. See if that changed. See right here. When it's no, not Siri. Shut up. There you go. That's your answer of Siri. That's your answer for Siri. Yeah, right there. Unintentionally. Oh yeah. Oh well, that's a tinted icon. No, that's a tinted icon. I should change it to dark mode. Customize. Dark. Didn't change. Didn't change actually. Well, not yet at least. Let's wait for it to install and let's see if it changed. So far, not much new. The release notes sometimes are sometimes like they would say like there are no new release notes for this update, and that should be your telltale sign. Like, okay, yeah, there's nothing new, but we'll see. We'll see if that's the case for this update. Mine's rebooting now. Okay. So far, people over on Twitter have not found anything, which is a shame. So, Xcode 16.1 beta 1. So I assume that adds like Apple Intelligence support or something. Maybe that adds the Swift Assist feature. Okay, there we go. Yeah, it is dark mode. Wow, that actually kind of looks not the best. Not gonna lie. The O in Outlook, the O doesn't look that great. Not gonna lie. That's not the best there. But let's try tinted. Okay. It's not the worst, but yeah, maybe we'll get used to it, but yeah, for now, not the best. So, but yeah, but yeah, there you go. So yeah, that's I guess one change. Outlook icon for people who care. It's different, slightly different in dark mode. So yeah, but have people found? Is it just stability, I guess, because now it's a B build number, which is very close to final release. So it's basically like the closer we are to the letter A is the closer we are to a much more stable release. So to fix the bug with app library large icons. Interesting. The Outlook icon was already different. Okay, so that's not even new. App library large icons. Well, I guess that was a bug apparently, and now it's fixed. So, yeah, I don't like the look of the large icons. I don't know if it's just because I'm not used to it yet, but I just don't like the look of the large icons. Maybe on a different, bigger device it might be a bit more helpful, but yeah, I don't really care. How many betas do you expect? I believe beta 7 next week, beta 8 the week after, and then on September 10th, which is the iPhone event, that's when we'll get the release candidate, and then September 16th, that's the final release. So, yeah. Shut up. Alright. So, one icon for 680 megabytes. Yeah, that's pretty interesting. Or like that's pretty terrible. So yeah, okay. So yeah, confirmed the hide distracting items feature that's available in 18.1 beta 2. So that was on beta 5 last week. Now it's available on 18.1 beta 2. But is that it? Is that it? Still, some icons appear light in dark mode, in large icons, and small in dark mode. Interesting. So I guess that's still a bug that they need to patch. Call recording works. That's an 18.1, guys. That's an 18.1 feature, not an 18.0 feature. So, yeah. The large icons. Large icons, I don't think. Oh, podcasts. Podcasts. Is that because this device is in? Okay, yeah, it's a dark mode, light mode thing for podcasts. So, yeah, change it to dark. And change back to the small icons, because I do not like the large icons. Did Siri change again? New series 18.1, not 18.0, so, yeah. Let's see, so you are on 18.1. Yeah, call recordings on 18.1, not 18.0. So, yeah. Alright, is the software stuff live on the software downloads page? Still not, man. I really want to try out the Mac OS, to see if I was right about the wallpaper. But yeah, I don't think it's out yet. So, yeah, let me go ahead and try out, see if there's any changes in the hide distracting items thing. Let's just go to apple.com. And then let's, I don't know, let's see if the hide distracting items works. Like, hey, yeah, you don't buy an iPhone right now. Gone. Yeah, that was already there. So, I mean, like, there's not much to say there. So, yeah, the hide distracting items feature is exactly the same. Oh, was that there before in beta 5? Report distraction control issue? I assume maybe that was already there in beta 5. Okay, yeah, it just redirects you to the feedback app. Okay. So I think that was probably already there in beta 5. Again, the new series only on 18.1, not 18.0, okay? Yeah, 18.1 beta 2 is out with that, so yeah, I don't think there's much else to be changed. There's much else changed. But yeah, I don't. Unless the people have found other features, I don't think much else has changed. Unless like Mac Rumors or 9 to 5 Mac release like an article saying these are all the new changes in iOS 18 beta 6. Yeah. Let's see. Is the Photos app changed? Good question. Let's see if the Photos app has changed. Nope. Oh, well, okay, as well, there's a splash screen. There's a splash screen for the Photos app. New design. They don't mention the carousel, obviously, because that got removed last beta. Fully customizable, new collections. Okay, cool. See iCloud status. Okay, so there's a splash screen, but not much else different. Yeah. Yeah, this is a photo I took last week of the... Oh, well, I feel like that might be... No, it's the same. It's the same I saw. Yeah, this is all the same. Yeah, I think all of this is the same as it was back in beta 2. So, yeah. Press the digital crown with my chin. So, yeah. They do weekly releases right now. So, yeah, they do. So now, so now next week is going to be beta 7. The week after is beta 8, and the week after that will be nothing, and then the week after that is the iPhone event, which is when we'll see iPhone 16 and iOS 18 RC. So, yeah. Call recording again, people. Call recordings on 18.1, not 18.0. Okay. Yeah. Siri is also an 18.1 feature. Let me 5 chats in a row saying call recording. It's only on 18.1, not 18.0. Let me say that Apple Intelligence is only on iOS 18.1, not 18 beta 6. Again, people. Yeah, I put this. I'm putting this on the pinned chat right there. It's only on 18.1, not 18 beta 6, okay? So, I don't need to bother checking it, okay? Okay, so, yeah, let me go ahead, let me check Twitter again. I don't think... Is there really nothing else? Is it only just that? Well, yeah, we got macOS Sequoia, 15.1 beta 2 is out right now. macOS Sequoia. Cool. There's that. But okay, screen brightness got better. Okay, so anything else? This looks like just a stability update more than anything else. Nothing else so far. I mean, yeah, this. I feel like this is going to be the same case for. Do not expect any changes in 18 beta, in 18 beta 7 or beta 8. So, yeah, control center lag's gone. That's a good question. Nah. I still see a little bit. Yeah, still, I noticed a little bit of lag there. You notice? Okay, now it's better. Now it's better. If I like, it's a little better. It's a little better right now, but overall, it still looks like a little bit of lag. Release notes. Well, yeah. So far, software downloads. Nothing for software downloads. Release notes. Okay, release notes are out finally. Took them forever. Okay, there we go. Okay, well, 18.1. Oh, that's an 18.1 beta 2 feature, not 18 beta 6. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Release notes are out finally. Well, actually, never mind. No, it says on the sidebar 18 beta 5, but here it says 18 beta 6. What? What is it? Let me do a screen share. Let me do a screen share for this. There you go. Yeah, right here it says 18 beta 6, but here it says 18 beta 5. What is it, Apple? Which one is it? Please explain. 18 beta 6, beta 6, beta 5. What is it? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what it is. Yeah. Let's see. Should I update from public beta 3 to developer beta 6 and wait for public beta 4? Public beta 4 should be out tomorrow. Tomorrow or, like, it's either coming out tomorrow or maybe, like, later this afternoon. One or the other. Anything change in settings? Good question, actually. Let's see if let me set the icon tint so that we could, see... what if like because I don't think that's the last time I checked settings they don't have the icon tinting, so let's see if they did that there. Nope, icons are still not tinted in settings. They're still dark mode. It's just fixes. Really, it's really just fixes. It's just fixes. It's just bug fixes. Wow. Okay, so they finally updated the downloads page. I guess I'll install the macOS 15 beta 6 IPSW. Let me get the drive. Plug that in. I'll install the macOS 15 beta 6, and I'll also install the support software for that, so I can try out the VM. Okay, well, yeah, that's... So, yeah, we're just, really, I guess the headliner for today's releases is iOS 18.1 beta 6, or 18.1 beta 2. Should I wait or not? I'd say since you're on the public beta, just wait for changes. What new icons are in dark mode? Well, some people said the Outlook icon was different, but the Outlook icon, I think, was in prior betas, so I guess that's one change, but... Did they change any other icons? I don't think the other icons are any different at all. Yeah, I think all the icons are the same as what they were prior betas, so... Yeah. Wow, okay. Siri animation, no, that's an 18.1. That's not an 18.0 thing. That's 18.1. So, yeah, it's not coming to older devices. So, Outlook icon is non-dark mode. Okay, well, oh yeah, so I don't know, it was in dark mode when we tried out here. So, yeah, it's weird. It's weird. Okay, so oh yeah, let me do the macOS 15 support software. Device support. Welcome to Apple device support software thing. Macintosh HD. Install. Enter password. Okay, apparently I have 12 gigs left on my main drive. I need to clear that up. Okay. I wonder why they don't use server so all devices can use AI. See, I believe the reason why it's mainly due to that. So first of all, Apple is trying to roll out Apple Intelligence to any newer devices. So like next month with the iPhone 16, 16 and 16 Plus, they'll be getting it. Even the iPhone SE4, Mark Gurman said yesterday, the iPhone SE4 is getting Apple Intelligence. So I think it's not even really due to the servers. It's really more due to like, even if these are cloud operations, like sometimes I think it's just like the whole like semantic index that they were talking about with Apple Intelligence. Like it's like many different processes. Like well, yeah, they do like private cloud compute, which is for, as they describe it, sometimes where you need models or you need to access server-based models when you need more power than what's in your pocket right now. So, yeah, it's a bit interesting. It's a bit weird. It's a bit like I need to look into it a bit more. Probably like look into the WWDC State of the Union. But I believe what Apple said is like one of these models take up like basically half the memory of an 8 gigabyte of RAM device. So yeah, I think there are new Pride wallpapers. Pride wallpapers were already there. I can tell you for a fact they were already there in 17. They're already there in iOS 17. So yeah, yeah, these wallpapers are the same. These wallpapers are the same. Wallpapers are all the same. Yeah. But I guess I'll check the default iOS 18 wallpaper. Nah, same dynamic wallpaper. All the same. All the same. Do you check the Photos app? Yeah, the Photos app is the same except for like the splash screen. Other than that, that's about it. Apple Intelligence will not be free in the future. That's 3 years from now. Mark Gurman said that at the very least, it's going to be 3 years from now. And even then, none of the features that Apple just announced will become paid. All the features that Apple announced with Apple Intelligence, they're going to remain free forever. But sometime in the future, they're going to make it, they're going to introduce some new features that are paid. So, yeah, and I believe that's going to be paving the way for Apple's future AI robot that's been rumored for a while. Like, yes, that's not a joke. Apple's working on an AI robot. So, yeah, I believe that's going to be paving the way for that. So, yeah, that's why Apple Intelligence is, yeah. So, oh, that's interesting. Type both languages on the same keyboard. Is that new? Hang on. So yeah, let's see. So yeah, I believe it's mainly due to a RAM thing with Apple Intelligence. Even though it's even though they could probably process it in the cloud, I assume it's just running these models on here. So yeah, again, probably have to look into it a bit more because it's personal intelligence. It's Apple describing it more than just artificial intelligence, personal intelligence. So yeah, turn up your volume. Yeah, just if you guys have trouble, just turn up the volume. Hang on, let me probably have to put him in timeout. Yeah, just turn up your volume if you can't hear right now. Either that, if it's the majority of people, I can probably just like, I don't know, get closer into the Mac microphone. Yeah. Wallpapers are the same. Wallpapers are the same as they've always been. Siri, a little update in 18.1 beta 2. I'm not talking to you, bro. Okay. Yeah, Siri, apparently that's a bit different in 18.1. Did I miss something, or is 18.1 confirmed for older devices? Nope. I can tell you for a fact, yep, I'm looking at Apple's device downloads. It's only for iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, any iPad and Mac with M1 and newer. Yeah, so yeah, 18.1 beta 2 and 15.1 beta 2 for macOS. They're still exclusive for older devices, so or newer devices, I should say. So yeah, a lot of updates out right now. Oh yeah, Xcode 16.1. I assume that has the new Swift feature, where Swift Assist, which I'm really excited to try that out. I kind of want to try that out. So yeah. Yeah. Did Mail app change? I believe the Mail app, they say that that's coming out later in 2024. So yeah. Yeah, okay, there we go. iOS 18.1 beta 2 properly gives Microsoft apps dark mode icons, so there we go. The release notes are out. Yep, we just checked that. Release notes are out, and yeah, they basically add nothing new. Calculator, I think is the same as it was. So yeah. Yeah, I think now we're in the final stretch of iOS 18 beta streams. I think beta 7 and beta 8 do not expect anything much from that. So that's why I'm gonna say this is why we're in the final stretch of iOS 18 betas. So yeah, bugs are fine. There's no bugs, I don't think. Or well, there are still bugs because it's still a beta, but bugs, I mean, like, yeah, it's still a beta, so yeah. Copilot, check Copilot. I use Copilot a lot, so this is probably important to check. Yeah, wait for it to install there. Your phone has crashed a lot. Interesting. Yeah, it's still a beta. But this is most likely a beta 6 is beta 6 coming out this week, beta 7 next week, beta 8 the week after, and then after that will be the iPhone September event, which I just made a video on yesterday. Go check that out if you want to know what's coming at the event. But oh yeah, Copilot icon did update. That icon actually looks pretty cool in the Copilot icon. That kind of looks like the Copilot key on the Copilot PCs that Microsoft released recently. That kind of looks like that. But yeah, it's the icon looks pretty cool. Copilot icon. The Outlook icon does not look that great, but the Copilot icon looks pretty cool. So yeah, or actually, well, I gotta let me see it tinted. Let me see the icon tinted, because I think I'll probably like it less when it's tinted. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Yeah. Look at the recent calls. It's changed. Yeah. Okay. I'll see that. Wait. Put that here so I don't dox. Oh. It did change. It did change. It looks like. Either that. Did it? Wait. Okay. Well. Okay. I'll show this. I gotta like scroll up a little bit so I don't dox family members. I'll just show all these spam numbers that keep calling me. But yeah, it's a little bit different. I can't like scroll up entirely because dox family members. But yeah, there's a search up there. Okay, there we go. I can show the missed calls. But yeah, there's a search thing up there. I don't think that was there before. Yeah, it looks like it's changed a little bit. Okay, we finally got a change. We finally got some change. Unless that was in beta 5. But yeah, we're getting close to the RC. Again, RC is probably coming out on probably like... well, I zoned out there a little bit. RC is coming out on the September 10th, the day of the iPhone event. So, but yeah, it's better but they should abbreviate the day of the week for older 4.7-inch devices, I assume you mean. Yeah, I mean, well, you're talking about well, you're talking about, I guess, this device. I don't know exactly, I don't know exactly what you're talking about there, but yeah. Device name, iPad 7. iPad 7, with what? Oh, okay, hang on. Gotta keep them in chat. Someone to try to make the control panel look like Android would not be sick. I mean, it's it kind of is already kind of like that, but yeah, I guess with like I don't know, like a jailbreak, if jailbreak even exists with well, I mean, the iPad 7 can be jailbroken, but yeah, other than that, nothing else can be. Check Geekbench. Geekbench always crashes on us with iOS beta streams, so we'll try again, but my bet is that this is crashing. This is gonna crash. Okay, that's the vibration motor. Spam calls is wrapped into 3 lines. Sometimes recent calls look kind of funky. Now without the jailbreak, moving the icons. Oh, okay. I mean, we'll see. We'll see what happens there. Coca-Cola app doesn't go into dark mode when you close the app. No, it shows in dark mode. So it shows the dark mode in the app switcher, but not the home screen. That's interesting. Yeah, photo splash screen. That's new. We saw that earlier in the stream. But yeah, what's new? Photo splash screen and a slightly different recent app icon, or a slightly different recent calls screen in photos. But other than that, that's about it. Is there new dark mode icons? There's like new Microsoft dark mode icons, but other than that, that's about it. At least thus far. Actually, yeah, let me check the 18.1 release notes. Oh, well, they're the exact same as the 18 beta 6 release notes. Okay. They're the exact same. Okay. RCS messaging is available on select carriers. Aren't they already available on select carriers? Yeah, I guess maybe more carriers. RCS is available now. Upgrading from 18.0 beta 5 to 18.1 beta results in a photo library rebuild. Okay, interesting. On Apple Silicon based devices on M3 and later, A16 Bionic and later, the values returned to something. I don't know, look into that. I'm a Silicon nerd and I don't understand what they mean by that. What iPhone is that? That's iPhone SE 2. iPhone SE 2. Beta 6 can kill your iPhone? No, definitely not. We really need split screen. I mean, split screen I don't really think is that particularly useful on the iPhone. But I mean, maybe on the Pro Max or and the Plus devices, maybe it could be a bit useful, especially since the iPhone 16 Pro Max is going to be 6.9 inches this year, so yeah. How are you? I'm doing good. Control center icons missing. Update. Oh, interesting. Control center icons missing. You're updating to iPadOS 18 Beta 6. Cool. Beta 6 can kill your iPhone. I mean, no. In the past, 7 years of me doing betas, they've never killed any of my devices, so yeah. Okay, it crashed again. Geekbench crashed again. Yeah, no surprise there. Geekbench always crashes for iOS 18 betas. So, yeah. Hi from Nepal. Hello. Yeah, you sign a TOS before downloading. Yeah, so if you install the beta software on your device, you are you are responsible for all the things that happen, I guess. Yeah. So, yeah. 18.1 Beta 2 no longer shows settings menu labeled twice. Okay, so I guess that was an issue in 18.1 Beta 1. Okay. I wonder how Alt Store is doing. Interesting. Yeah, I think Alt Store is not doing the best right now. They're doing good in the EU because they have Alt Store PAL, but yeah. I would try Geekbench, but since it's not installed, nothing to compare to. Do large apps look the same? I think they look the same. Like, yeah, I think they're the exact same. But yeah. Let me try to clear up some storage on my Mac. My Mac, 256 gigs is, yeah, not the right call there. Okay, there we go. So Apple has finally added Type to Siri on iOS 18.1 Beta 2. But again, that's 18.1 Beta 2, not 18 Beta 6. So yeah, 18.1 Beta 2 only. So yeah. Okay. Yeah. Also, when it comes to iOS 15 developer beta, iOS 15 developer beta. Oh, you're talking about back 3 years ago. I guess is update getting hacked, beta updating. Yeah, interesting. Are you from Israel? No. From the US. Which iPhone is this? iPhone SE 2. iPhone SE 2. I think we'll probably end the stream pretty soon here because it's it's a pretty boring update right now. So yeah, I'm gonna change the title of the stream here. We change the title of the stream. Nothing changed. Yeah. How's battery life? It's too early to determine. Right now. Is there any heating? I mean, after an update, it always overheats, but right now it's not. How do you get iOS 18 on the old iPhone? This is iPhone SE 2, not SE. This is iPhone SE 2. It's natively supported. Okay, yeah. Someone said Apple Intelligence is in the EU. I don't know if it's true. It's definitely not true. Apple themselves confirmed Apple Intelligence is not in the EU. So, yeah. But yeah. Let's see. So. Anyone bug clock widget? Let me check the clock widget, I guess. if you're saying there's a bug there. Oh, iPhone SE 4, Marco over at Mac Room is Apple Insider. He shared iPhone SE 4 stuff. Stand by what he says earlier. iPhone 14 with USB-C action button OLED panel similar to 14 with Face ID. Okay, there you go. iPhone SE 4 with basically the same as iPhone 14. What the clock widget looks weird in the tinted version. That's interesting. Is that a bug? Yeah, because we're in the dark mode. We're in dark mode right now, so I don't know why it looks that way. Clock widget looks weird. Notification app icons are changed. They're not. They don't change in tinted, which is interesting. Actually, no. iPhone 16 comes in September. Just said. Your dad, he knows Apple. Yeah. Is the new Siri UI here? No. Again, it's only at 18.1, not 18.0. But yeah. Okay. Well, every iPhone has a new Siri UI now. It's only on 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, and the iPhone 16 series, and the upcoming iPhone SE 4 as well. So, Xbox app changed. Yeah, all of the Microsoft icons apparently changed. The app icon, or their app icons to dark mode. So, yeah. I'm just patiently waiting to install macOS right now, the macOS 15 beta on the VM. I noticed that I don't have RCS, and when I was finished talking, your phone got on the phone. I got a callback, or you get a callback, or you mean, oh, you don't have RCS, but now you do. Interesting. I don't know exactly what you mean by that. And Geekbench on iPhone 13 Pro, single core 2320, multi-core 5583. That seems kind of high for a 13 Pro. Either that or I've not been that closely analyzing. It feels like that feels like iPhone 14 Pro performance. Let me check. 13 Pro should be. Oh, never mind, I'm an idiot. That's exactly what it should be. Okay, never mind, I'm an idiot. Okay, try RCS. What's new until now was updating. Basically nothing. Basically nothing. Sorry to burst your bubble. Yeah, basically nothing new. Try RCS. Let me check RCS. Let's do. Still says SMS. To my Android friend. The other Android friend. Still SMS. My mom with Android still SMS. So yeah, still SMS from me at least. I don't know what's that like. What's the layout on the SD when you hold down to customize? The layout looks something like this. Yeah, basically just imagine basically exactly what you think it is like. So yeah. Yeah. Okay. Second developer of iOS. Yeah, we know that. iOS 18.1 beta. Yeah. It's the same as the 10R. Live ends. I'm gonna try out macOS. If macOS doesn't work, which hasn't been working for me that well for the past few weeks, then yeah, I'll just not do it there. That's where the edit button is on the right. Oh, it's probably because you have the iPhone 10R. Yeah. Is that for devices with a bezel? Yeah, probably. Yeah. Okay, macOS has 9 seconds, 8 seconds. Yeah. We're going to try macOS on the VM. And if it doesn't work, then we'll end the stream. Oh yeah, on the 14 you meant 10R layout. Oh. Interesting. I think it's the same on all of those devices. 1 second. Let me... does it have the new Siri? No, it doesn't. It doesn't have the new Siri. Again, this is only 18.1 thing, not 18.0. So, yeah. Alright, macOS IPSW is just installed. We'll try that out in a second. Yeah. Alright, so... Try out macOS. Shape of the screen, yeah, probably. That's the driving factor. Alright, okay, 18 beta 6 score is almost the same as 18 beta 5, apparently. So, calculator has this new splash screen, apparently. When you open up Math Notes, apparently. Yeah, there you go. Welcome to Math Notes. Yeah. Alright, calculator splash screen, I guess that's new. Cool. Yeah. Can you try pip mode on YouTube? That's already been there for a while. Someone talked about the iPhone 17 Slim. I'm working on an iPhone 17 Slim video right now. Trying to make a concept that's the closest, probably the best look at the iPhone 17 Slim right now. Translate, TV, and Home have new splash screens. Let's see that. So, Translate. Yep, welcome to Translate. We got that. Podcasts apparently has a new... Yeah, welcome to What's New in Apple Podcasts. And TV. Yep, What's New in Apple TV. Insight for Apple TV Plus. And Home. Where's the Home icon? It's over here. home, everything but home. Everything but home. Yeah, had a splash screen. Okay. Okay. Do you have a Discord server? I used to, but I didn't really care for it that much, so I deleted it. So, yeah. New series again. That's only for 18.1, not 18.0. Okay, so let me go ahead, free up some space real quick. Even though I'm installing on an external drive, I'll free up some space on my Mac. Anything that I can delete. I'll probably deal with that later. Okay. Close that. Close up some other apps in the background. And we'll do UTM, and we'll see if macOS will work. Probably should plug in the charger, because we're at 16 or 18%, so that's probably not gonna make it. Okay, plug this guy in and try macOS Sequoia in a VM. Virtualize macOS 12 Plus, browse, date modified, 15.0, open 4 gigs of RAM, do 40 gigs, continue, macOS, open VM settings, okay. And display, do MacBook Air, save, and then move it to my drive. Library, okay. Catch up on the chat real quick before that, so yeah. Feedback of Apple, be tomorrow, 18 beta 6. What does the update do? Not much. Is screen time still broken? I don't think screen time has really been updated. Can I download macOS Sequoia 15.1 beta 2? I'm in the EU. Will be able to use Apple Intelligence? No, you won't be able to use Apple Intelligence. It's not available in the EU. Yeah, okay, let's see. Okay, let me see how much storage I have. 191 gigs. That should be enough for macOS. Okay. Alright. Confirm. Please don't use up my internal drive. Okay. So far, so... Wait. Oh, God. Please don't. No. It's doing it. Okay, no. Cancel. It's doing it. Damn it. Okay. Gotta try that out again later. I don't know why it does that. I don't know why it does that. Okay, I'm gonna probably try out macOS later. I don't know why I tried to do that there. UTM always doing it. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna probably end the stream right now. It's not much to say about this update. Any last minute things people want me to try out before we get out of here? Because I don't think there is. I don't think there is much else to see. Alright, circular icons that are confirmed. Try and re-enable. I assume it's probably for the control center you're talking about. Yeah, it's probably still there. Circular widget. Probably control center or something. iPhone mirroring available. I thought Apple confirmed iPhone mirroring was not in the EU, so I don't know why people are saying it is. Unless you change your region. If you change your region, then yeah, it should be available. But yeah. Okay. Yeah, 18 beta 6, 18.1 beta 2 added Bluetooth toggles. Okay, so that's one new change. They added Bluetooth toggles. Cool. Yeah, I think we're ending right now. Okay. I think that's just about it. The circular icon that's in the control center. Yeah. Change your region, is it safe? Yeah, it should be safe. But yeah. Control center customization's a mess. Well, maybe they changed that in later beta. I don't know. Alright, I think that's just about it. Thank you guys for watching, all the 2,122 people who joined in. Thank you guys for watching. And thank you all for joining me through this iOS 18 streams. This is going to be the last one I do. So yeah, this is the most successful iOS 18 iOS beta cycle that I've done of all time. So yeah, it's really great time. And yeah, so yeah, next stream I probably do next stream I probably do is probably gonna be, I don't know when. I don't know when at this point, but yeah. Later future videos I guess I have planned are iPhone 17 Slim. I'm gonna make a video on the iPhone 17 Slim, and I'll make a video on the M4 Mac Mini, and probably also a video on the iPhone Flip. I have a video on the iPhone Flip also coming. So yeah, got three videos in the works right now. So yeah, that's just about it. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys later for those videos. Yeah, see you guys later. Bye bye.